Ka company shna kali na Italy ka Piago Vehicles Private Limited haka khat khandai tarik uyayong arja pusan ka sing sajan ka palatmai sai ka thok Aprilia Tuono South Pa San Punyo ka bapaka bha hakanya jingai bat ka bampang singkai La pelaja kani ka baik lani ka thok ha Shadap Automobile Showroom ka badon hamauble da utrai uba bah kupar Shadap ha ka jingdon ringkat manager uba Vishal nengnong bat kiwe Hadien belada pelaja kani ka baik uba Vishal upan pa ba ka dor jong kani ka thok ka jambha habayanu jor ba kiwe sports baik ka basyong dor palat ka saulak tingka ha ka ex showroom na ka benta ka dor hanong ba Shillong Upan paru bakalong comfortable ani ka sukba habasyong nya bat kaya daru na kajingpang singkai ka ba compare na kiwe gibay jang kiwe pat ki company kadai ru ka bay ka ba climb board bha da South Pa San Punyo CC pin pau ba Vishal ha kani ka bay ki dondang ardli gi rong kata ka piran ha red bat ka puma grey ki badon jingtmu bantit ya gani ka baik thamai ka Aprilia Tuono South Pa San Punyo bat ki bakwa bantip shu phang jongka kin skop ha man le showroom ka badon hamauble lani ki laru ban phone hong number jong ba Vishal prai way khandai pra not nyo sunlight.
Okay, well, Aprilia has once again come up with another segment killer, which is the Aprilia Tuono 457. I'll brief you some of the main features about this vehicle. As you can see over here, this distinctive headlight, which is also called the tripod headlight. Well, basically, you can see it's divided into three segments. This is the main middle headlight, and then divided by two side lights, which are the DRLs, right? And then you can also see the stance in comparison to the RS457 is a little bit different. It's quite comfortable. It's not very aggressive as compared to the RS457. This bike can be taken for long rides as well as can be used for the urban cruising as well, because it does provide a better protection for your lumbar, that is your thighs, and then for your backbone as well. Okay, when you go for long rides, you won't get exhausted so much as comparison to those bikes which are very aggressive in stance. Okay, those are the main features. And then, as you can see, this is the naked version of the RS457. It's a twin brother, so as to say. Okay, it's 8 kgs lighter in comparison to RS457, which is 175 curb weight, and this is 175 minus 8 kgs. It's very aerodynamic, very light, and very much maneuverability. The maneuverability of the vehicle is very much in tune in comparison to other brands as well. If you want to know more about the Tuono 457, kindly visit Shadap Automobiles Mumbai, and we'll let you know more about this. And let me tell you about the pricing. The pricing is very reasonable in comparison to this segment, which is 4,09,666 ex-showroom, which is in comparison to other sports bikes, a very reasonable valued bike and very much in power to weight ratio. It's a very comfortable bike and very powerful bike. So if you want to know more, please visit Shadap Automobiles.